The Sounds of Silence, Part 2. Chirp is feeling extra happy tonight. Quack has been quiet all day. In fact, he's decided not to talk until Chirp begs him. Fat chance.
Maybe tomorrow I'll be able to hear the grass grow, and a spider making a web, and the stars twinkling.
Chirp fell into a deep, quiet sleep. Until...
What was that? Peep, did you hear that? Peep!
Peep did hear that. It was kind of hard to miss.
Hi, Peep. Did you hear what I just heard? Uh-huh. And after I heard what you just heard, I thought I better go check on Peep because I know he... I think it's gone. Looks okay from here. Well, I guess I'll be going. Nice seeing you. Rain! I hate rain! At least we're nice and dry in here. Oops. Water, wet water.
Peep and Chirp had no choice but to spend the night on top of Peep's can.
Peep, wake up! The rain stopped. Wow, listen to all those birds. It sure is peaceful around here without Quack's racket. There's water everywhere. How am I gonna get home? It's not very deep. See? Peep! I can't walk around in water. I hate water. Well, what are you going to do then? I don't know. Could you drink it, do you think? Guess not. Wait! I have a better idea. I'll be right back. Hey, Chirp! Here's the answer to all our problems. Ta-da! Quack is the answer? Peep, Quack is never the answer. Chirp, you hurt Quack's feelings. Well, I'm sorry, but I'm stuck on a cannon surrounded by water, and I don't know what to do. I think Quack has an idea. Was I supposed to understand that? Yeah, well, I'm not begging you to talk if that's what you're thinking.
Since Quack won't talk until Chirp begs him, there's only one thing he can do. Find someone to translate for him.
Did you understand any of that? No. Oh, brother. Quack, would you please go find an animal who can talk?
about Chirp, but I'm getting confused. Maybe the frog will clear things up.
Ribbit.
Okay, I can't take one more second of this. Quack, I need to know what you're trying to say. Peep, do you have any idea what Quack is saying?
Chirp, wouldn't it be easier if you asked Quack to talk?
Well, okay, you can talk. Go ahead.
You need to beg him, remember?
Beg him? I'm not going to beg. Okay. Quack, would you please talk again? Please? Pretty, please? I really want to hear your voice again. I miss it.
Aha! I knew you'd be sorry. I knew it. Quack, I knew it. Quack, I knew it. Quack, I knew. Right. So it's simple. We call all the animals and ask them to help us dig 2 trenches. Right here. And over there, I should think. That'll drain most of the water away. We'll drain it into my pond, which could use a little freshening up. And how couldn't the world's best pond...
Quack was so happy to hear his own voice that he took a long, loud time explaining his idea.
So anyways, that'll take about a week, and then we'll plant a willow tree to soak up the rest. In a year or 2, this will all be a distant memory. So what do you think?
Do you have a simpler idea?
Well, you could always just ride on my back. That'd work.
Great. Thank you.
Isn't it great? My voice is as good as ever.
I guess the moral of this story is, don't tell a duck to be quiet because you never know when you're going to get stuck in a puddle. Something like that.
Chirp, you're not singing. I want you to sing, okay?
We are turning on a hose and making a stream. We ran our stream down a sidewalk on a small hill.
We are trying to control where the water goes. We are making a wall.
We are going to fill the cracks with mud.
It's working pretty well, I think.
Yay! It would have gone straight, but since we made our dam there, it turns the water, and this forms a passageway for the water. And we made another dam there.
It's going into the pool, and we're able to stop the water.
Now the water is flowing over this dam. The water is now coming down here,
And we want to make it come that way.
so we're trying to make a channel for it. A channel is used for the water to go somewhere.
Wherever I dig, the water seems to go.
I need help! Help! The water wants to go down the hill.
I'm blocking it as best as I can.
We are trying to make the water go down into the stairs. And it's done. See if you can control the flow of water.
Major funding for this program has been provided by the National Science Foundation.